Back in the day, you needed precisely one thing to drive: a car. And now, it was probably going to be a black Ford Model T, but that's all you needed. If you had an unfeasibly large mustache, that kind of helped too. But really, once you bought your car, you were good to go. Thank you, Tony. Obviously, that was not a sustainable situation, driving around more and more cars with no insurance or no compulsory insurance. So financial responsibility laws came into being. Connecticut was the first state to introduce them in the mid-1920s. Problem being, though, with that, you only had to prove financial responsibility after an accident. So it's almost like you got one chance to hurt someone or destroy their car or their stuff, and then you had to go get insurance. So there must have been a better way to do it, people thought, and no fault was considered to be the way to do it. Sadly, it took until 1971 before no fault came into being. And it was very popular very quickly, and by 1976 more than half the states in the Union had a no-fault law. Now sadly, the thing was, even though people like State Farm were pushing no-fault very hard, it didn't quite turn out to be the money saver that people thought, and so over the next few years a bunch of states dropped out. It's kind of like workers' compensation for driving. I mean, it literally is what it says. It's no fault. Obviously, every accident is the fault of someone. But the way no fault works is it doesn't matter whose fault it is. You make that claim from your own insurance company. Very quickly, because we're running out of time. Yes, there are three main types: modified, add-on, and choice. Largely because the original pure no fault didn't work so good. Modified allows you to sue the at-fault driver under certain circumstances, and if your damages exceed a verbal or monetary threshold. Second main type are add-on plans, which literally, just as it sounds, they're added on to your auto liability policy, and they place no restriction on your ability to sue the at-fault third party. The third and final type are called choice plans, and as it suggests, it's your choice. You can buy them, and if you agree not to sue the at-fault party, then your premium will be lower. If you do not agree to that, your premium will be higher.